All right, so I just came out to feed the cows their grain this morning, and Martha had her baby, her Jersey Angus cross. This is her first cow. Sorry for the bad angle. This is her first baby on the farm. Looks like she's just born probably no more than half an hour ago. Hi, little one. How you doing? And Martha's eating her delicious little snack. Oh my goodness, how adorable. Martha, good job. You just had your little first baby. Oh, how adorable are you? Aren't you a cutie? She's just hanging out with her little mama. We're gonna have to put them in the barn because it's cold and rainy today. But there we go, guys. So exciting. Our first cow born on the homestead. We were hoping to have her in the barn, but that didn't happen. She had her baby outside. Alright, we'll do a better video later on when I get all my chores done and show you guys our little baby. We'll see you later.